presenting a pre-owned 2018 Kia. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 54,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability, control, and traction control.